she wanna grab the wheel. I seen some shit, I'm scarred for life, I wish my eyes would heal. Slide 30 nights, 30 days, we don't know how to chill. Just keep your gun tucking your head up in that battlefield. Nigga so goofy, I don't even wanna make eye contact with him. Get out his body, tryna play savage, let that compact hit him. Listen to them lyrics, that's some real shit, nigga, it's beyond facts in them.
What's up, YouTube? Today we're taking the engine out the Toyota and throwing in the 3TC 1.8 in there. See if we can get this all done in one day, get it running in one day. Let's get it, guys. Out of here, gotta move this engine over, this differential, and pull this car out, and we can get mine in. Let's get this out of the garage. Now I gotta clear up some space here. Oh, there's mad stuff under there. Gotta clean all this up. Nigga, don't kick that, bro. What's good with you? What's good with the bull?
Take this off.
Took us about 2 hours, I think, with the tranny. Getting this one ready. Tightening up the flywheel bolts. I don't know what he's doing. But yeah, guys, she's all out. Let's see if we can get this running tonight. See you guys soon. What's up, YouTube? It's been a week since we worked. Well, not really a week since we worked on it, but more like a week since we've truly dedicated a day to it. We've been working on it like throughout this week, but like after work, like for a couple hours. All that's left to do right now is to re-weld the header to fit the rack of the steering and the column of the tranny, what holds up the tranny, the support. But that's all we need, guys, and hopefully it's done today. I need it. I need to drive it. But let's get into it, guys. So YouTube, we got it all done. All that's left is exhaust, and I think that's pretty much it. And the shift linkages for the tranny. But yeah, now I'm gonna take the whole exhaust off of this car, since I think it's a 2.5 straight back. This car only had my car had like a little crappy 1.5 inch. This car had a 2-inch all the way back. And it'll breathe better for my car. Just gonna swap it onto this one. But yeah, guys, we're so close to finishing. Hopefully done by today. Get it driving on the street again tomorrow. Or, well, today, but I'll be driving it tomorrow. I got the header on there. Had to bang it out in a couple spots. Also, we switched out this steering rack. I don't have power steering anymore. That car has it now. I couldn't run it on mine because my headers wouldn't fit, but yeah. And I'm gonna swap out this valve cover, put on the one over there. But yeah, guys, I'm gonna finish up here and get back to you guys.
You better go with your name up. I get both of these bitches the same fuck. I been getting money, I ain't changed. They used to front on me back in the day. Now when they see me.
finished the build, finally finished the swap. There's just a few things like transmission lines we need to hook up to the radiator, and it'll be on the road tomorrow. But yeah, we swapped that engine in one day. We couldn't, I mean, we got it in and running in one day, but it took us a week to get it out. Hope you guys enjoyed that video. Tried to make it as interesting as possible, but see you guys next time. Next video will be us driving it, test driving it, and see you guys next time. Peace.
My niggas crazy, cray cray. My niggas crazy, cray cray. Got a brand new AK. This shit gon' kick like a sensei. We down to murder, so let's boost the murder rate. Knock 'em out his shoes, shot her right.